Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com, LearnCrypto.io for this week's Week in Review for July 28th, 2024. As you know, I've still been looking for stocks to try to work lower. Last week we had growth stocks under pressure, small caps and Dow type stocks still not doing bad. So in front of us is our Wyckoff wave. I talked about it having a little bit of a sell divergence up there at the highs. Prices hitting new highs just ever so slightly, while volume has been on the buy side. Technometer 46.74. So again, I think stocks are still overpriced and needing more downside. Wyckoff wave new index, same type of thing. Had a sell signal there up a couple of weeks ago. We did get almost oversold there 5-6 days ago. Now we're coming back to overbought. So again, let's look for a rollover. And growth stocks, as I mentioned, under pressure, still under pressure. Technometer 41.26. So again, let's look for lower on growth stocks. SPY, I talked about lower. We did continue to reach lower there as well. Technometer neutral at 45. So let's look for lower. TLT, I've been talking about, continued still higher. You can see there on Wednesday, we did get oversold. Technometer at the bottom down there touching the 38 level. So again, let's look for TLT to continue to work higher and bust through that 94 and change level. Crude, I mentioned somewhere down there around 77, 78 would find support. We did have really almost new lows in volume, while price is still $4 or $5 higher. So let's look for crude to catch itself. XLE is trying to outperform after underperforming. We got profits there from 90.80. Technometer did come back down to 44 there a couple days ago. So let's look for XLE to still dig in and work higher. GLD, I've talked about still higher, but maybe some backing and filling. I think we're getting that, but I think we're going through reaccumulation before we continue higher. Same thing with gold futures. Silver a little weaker, which I mentioned need to take that bullish sentiment out of the market. I think we've done that. We are, I think, having a nice little ABC correction. We got support down here at this 27 level. So maybe we work a little bit lower, but I think gold and silver are going to turn higher from here. Dollar, I keep talking about a breakdown of that 103 level on this D wave of a triangle. I still think that's the case. There's a possibility this is a D wave, and we're headed up here to 104.75, 105 for the E wave. But either or, I think the trend is lower. Bitcoin, I talked about a breakdown of maybe 63,000. We got a break to, what was it, like 63.5, I believe, there a few days ago. I still think we need some backing and filling along with stocks. Slight chance we're completing 5 waves up, maybe from here, if you like some Elliott wave on the crypto. But otherwise, again, I think we have lower to go. Bitcoin futures, same type of thing. Technometer 47 there. Bitcoin technometer, let me see, that not loading at the moment. Technometer there, also the same, around 46. Ethereum, I talked about, we sold 34.72, I think the number was, as shown on the chart. Did see some nice weakness on Ethereum down there to 31. We're currently 32.80, not much to add. I still could see a pullback with Bitcoin back down below that 3,000 level, so we're on the sidelines after some quick trades for nice quick profits, looking to buy back cheaper. A few stocks we're looking at. DLX, that one, as you know, we're long there from 22.08. Looks like it's still looking higher, ready for a breakout. It is overbought, but OP and price moving together. Let's look for higher on DLX. QFIN, I talked about a spring there last week. We did have an oversold technometer during the day on that spring low. So I have moved stops up to that level on long positions. I like to close on Friday. I look for higher. And last but not least, Urban. Talked about being long down there at 41 and change. I did have a sell stop in, got stopped out on Wednesday at 45.50 or so. So we took nice profits there. Back on the sidelines. Would buy a constructive pullback possibly, but for now, as you know, I look for stocks to work lower, so I took profits there. Have a great week trading.